Which star is closest to Earth? Alpha Centauri, Betelgeuse, the Sun, Sirius. The correct answer is the Sun. What is the boiling point of water at sea level? 50 degrees Celsius, 90 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Celsius, 120 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is 100 degrees Celsius. Which force pulls objects toward the Earth? Magnetism, friction, momentum, gravity. The correct answer is gravity. What part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? Roots, stem, leaves, lowers. The correct answer is leaves. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Earth, Saturn, Jupiter, Neptune. The correct answer is Jupiter. Which gas do plants release during photosynthesis? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, methane. The correct answer is oxygen. How many bones are in the adult human body? 106, 116, 206, 306. The correct answer is 206. What is Earth's only natural satellite? Phobos, the Moon, Titan, Europa. The correct answer is the Moon. What type of energy comes from moving water? Solar energy, wind energy, hydroelectric energy, geothermal energy. The correct answer is hydroelectric energy. Which planet is nicknamed the morning star or evening star? Mars, Jupiter, Venus, Saturn. The correct answer is Venus. Which is the largest internal organ in the human body by weight? Heart, skin, liver, lungs. The correct answer is liver. Which planet has the most moons? Saturn, Neptune, Jupiter, Uranus. The correct answer is Saturn. What does DNA stand for? Deoxyribonucleic acid, dioxynucleic acid, deoxynitric acid, deoxyribose nitric acid. The correct answer is deoxyribonucleic acid. Which scientist discovered penicillin? Alexander Fleming, Marie Curie, Louis Pasteur, Joseph Lister. The correct answer is Alexander Fleming. Which process converts sugar into alcohol? Photosynthesis, distillation, fermentation, filtration. The correct answer is fermentation. Which gas is known as laughing gas? Carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrous oxide, neon. The correct answer is nitrous oxide. How many pairs of chromosomes do humans have? 22, 23, 24, 46. The correct answer is 23. Which part of the human body produces insulin? liver, gallbladder, kidney, pancreas. The correct answer is pancreas. Which gas increases the most in concentration when we exhale compared to the air we inhale? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, methane. The correct answer is carbon dioxide. Which planet rotates on its side? Neptune, Saturn, Uranus, Jupiter. The correct answer is Uranus. Which part of the cell contains genetic material? Nucleus, mitochondria, cytoplasm, ribosomes. The correct answer is nucleus. What type of energy is stored in a stretched rubber band? Kinetic energy, thermal energy, potential energy, electrical energy. The correct answer is potential energy. What is the smallest unit of life? Atom, molecule, cell, organelle. The correct answer is cell. What is the freezing point of water in Fahrenheit? 0 degrees Fahrenheit, 22 degrees Fahrenheit, 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 32 degrees Fahrenheit. The correct answer is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Which planet has the Great Red Spot? Mars, Saturn, Jupiter, Neptune. The correct answer is Jupiter. Which organelle is responsible for packaging and transporting proteins in cells? Lysosome, ribosome, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum. The correct answer is Golgi apparatus. Which scale is used to measure the hardness of minerals? Mohs scale, pH scale, Richter scale, Kelvin scale. The correct answer is Mohs scale. What is the deepest known point in the Earth's oceans? Mariana Trench, Java Trench, Tonga Trench, Puerto Rico Trench. The correct answer is Mariana Trench. Which element's atomic number is 79? Gold, silver, platinum, mercury. The correct answer is gold. What phenomenon explains the bending of light when it passes through water? Reflection, diffraction, refraction, dispersion. The correct answer is refraction. Which scientist discovered radioactivity? Marie Curie, Ernest Rutherford, Henri Becquerel, Wilhelm Röntgen. The correct answer is Henri Becquerel. What is the branch of biology that studies fungi? Botany, phycology, zoology, mycology. The correct answer is mycology. Which layer of Earth lies just below the crust? Inner core, outer core, mantle, lithosphere. The correct answer is mantle. What is the unit of electrical resistance? Watt, ohm, volt, ampere. The correct answer is ohm. Which planet has the longest day in the solar system? Jupiter, Mercury, Venus, Mars. The correct answer is Venus.